Hey guys, today we will explain about how to change billing address on Shopify. This process is really simple and the first thing is head over to your store and log in your account on which you want to change your billing address. Once you do all these things, you will see the same interface like me. And as you can see, I am using the free plan of Shopify. Its trial version can available for next 3 days. But the method is saying if you have the premium version of Shopify. So what you have to take a look on the left side, you will see multiple options: home, orders, product, customers. From here, you have to select the option setting, which is on the last. Once you select setting, you will get access to your own where you can manage your everything. Like you can check plans, billing, user and permissions. But you have to select the option general, and in general here you can see the option of billing address. Simply click on this pencil to add a kick. Now here, enter your only your business name and also select the region. And this one is the main thing, your street address. So here you have to enter your billing address, apartment, suite and much more. Once you do, give the city name with the postal code. Once you write everything, the save option will be enabled, and by clicking on it, your billing address will be changed on Shopify, and that's it.